Alright, this has nothing to do with art, but my dryer quit working. Please forgive the dirt that's down here. And what happened was the push to start button would just buzz and it would not start. So I figured it was the push to start button, and I found the part online. Here's the old one. I just took it out, which involved, where's my panel? Oh, I had to take off the back panel, of course, and I'll put it back on. Here it is. So I took off the back panel. You twist this until it comes out, and then you just pull it out. And of course you have to remove, first you remove this knob. Remove this knob. Twist the mechanism, and it will come out. You got to pull up on this little latch here first, and then twist it, and it comes out. And then I plugged in the new one, put the new one in, twisted it until it latched, reconnected the 3 plugs. So before I put the back panel back on, let's test it, see if it works. So I'm going to set a time. Alright. Cross your fingers, wish me luck. It's working. Yes. Awesome. Alright, so let's put that panel back on. And there you go. You can fix your own crap. There's videos on YouTube for anything. Thanks for joining, and come back for some art sometime.